We go on top. Oh my god. You guys have like 1 or 2 minutes, so better hurry it up. Yeah, we're IP flooding him. No, Walter, we're IP flooding him. We're IP. Oh, that's fine. We're IP flooding him. Come on. You're so stupid, kid. No, you're not good. Exactly, 4-3. You guys are gonna get raped the next 2 maps. I'm gonna laugh. Get the 4-3 stain. Get the 4-3 stain. Stop talking Call of Duty, faggot. Get a life. Yup, there you go. There you go. Keep talking Call of Duty. Keep talking like Call of Duty. Keep talking. Freaking faggot. Get a life. Ooh, you had 4 kills. Clap it up. You had 4. Kid. If you ever no math, that's 7. You have 1 minute actually. You're so dumb. You don't know the rules, obviously. Yeah. So afraid to play someone in a video game. Like, you think if we lose, we're gonna go cry about it like you would? Okay, that's why you disputed. Exactly. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. You're bad. Yeah, we're IP flooding him. That's us. That's us. We're IP flooding him. Ooh, big man. Bad. He does have a minute until 27. Oh yeah, you do. You're a big man. You're a big man. You're done, really? Okay. Quit. See ya. Freaking faggot. You can talk Call of Duty. We'll take top. We'll take top. Randoms. Randoms. We'll take top.
Can't take a loss.
We can't take a loss?
Yeah? Is he? Every time we play you fucking.
Alright, we'll take top. You have another 30 seconds.
He's fucking big. Hey, sorry, this is a lobby. What?
We'll give you until 29.
Back up? Hold up.
We'll take Top.
Shut up.
Walter. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'll tell you once it's 29.
You guys want to cancel or no?
Nah, we're fine.
Okay, suck it, you fucking faggots. I hope you know I'm gonna come to your fucking house and slit your fucking face off, bitch.
29.
Oh, we have 2 minutes left.
Walter,
Hold on.
leave first, alright? To show that you're not host. Walter, leave first to show that you're not host. Walter, leave, you dumbass! Walter. Good game. Dispute, please. Good game.